Another shark egg. Look at this. All the aquariums. And I think, Tommy, we're gonna pick out some frags too today, aren't we?
There's the gem tang. Man, he looks so good. Those are like twice the size. I'm sitting here like, are those actually still mine?
Oh, there she is. Fox face. Yeah. We got him! Goodness, it's so good to see all the fish back in bags, heading home. Well, we're back home and let's go, clowns. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. I gotta show you the animals real quick. Well, there's a big old trench down the entire side of the yard. My goodness, that's crazy. It looks like a meteor came across the yard. That's some muscle work right there. That ain't easy. I'll be back. Look at these kids. Lady May. Mango! All the chickens. Look at all the chickens roaming around. All the goats too. Everyone's out right now. They're doing great. I know we haven't really spent a lot of time outside lately because a lot of the videos have been about fish. And speaking of fish, for the 300-gallon saltwater aquarium, we're finally getting our fish back in today's video. If you're not familiar, we had a bunch of fish in this tank and they all got sick, so we had to bring them all to Tommy's over 100 days ago now. Time flies. It feels like it's been forever since I've seen my fish back in this tank, but today's the day. Let's do it. I'm here, but it's cold out. I don't like this weather here in Florida. I've made it.
Actually, perfect timing.
Is it?
Slam today.
Good, that's a good thing. Wow, this place looks different from the last time I was even here. Look at this. All the aquariums. And today is the day we finally, after what, 100 days of waiting, literally over 3 months, we get our saltwater fish back. And I think, Tommy, we're gonna pick out some frags too today, aren't we?
Yeah.
I am excited, Cuffaro's. Back to the saltwater videos. We were making a lot of them until the whole sickness happened. Now we brought everything here to quarantine. I'm sure I explained that just prior to getting to this fish place. What do you call, what's your store called?
Tanknitions.
Tanknitions store. The location's down below. Go show my guy Tommy some support for holding all of our fish this entire time, over 100 days.
By the way, what do you think of these?
There, those are, did you get them to acclimate to fresh?
So,
wow.
Yep.
That's awesome.
We've sold over 60 of them.
Really? People are loving that.
And we put them in reef tanks.
Yeah.
They never touch anything.
Ah. So you've trained them not to eat coral. You're a legend.
No, I haven't trained them.
There's my hawk fish. There he is. Focus camera, why? Might have to whip out the phone here.
There's the gem tang. Man, he looks so good, man. He looks 10 times better. What a beautiful fish. Look at that.
All healed, Tommy. Oh, you're blurry. There we go, we're focused. So what is your advice we should take on this right here?
So the gem tang and the hawkfish were being pretty aggressive.
Towards the others.
Towards the other fish. So take those, let them get established, and then add those a couple weeks later.
Okay, so we'll have to make a, we'll come back and get those a separate trip. I have been waiting for my eel. I love my eel. Our fox face.
He grew a lot.
He did grow. Honestly, the freaking clownfish grew a lot too.
Those are like twice the size.
I'm sitting here like, are those actually still mine? That is beautiful. I cannot wait. Today's the day. We finally get them back. Like I had said, we also are going to get some frags while we're here. Tommy, I'm going to let you honestly pick the frags out.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right.
Because you know best.
Do a good assortment.
Yeah?
Because the corals have been doing great in your tank.
Oh, they're doing great.
I got some awesome zoas, and your zoas are exploding.
Beautiful.
Well, then we gotta get them.
Yeah, let's get them. Let's get them. That is sweet. It's better than bagging them. Look at that. Sweet. We're gonna put the coral goggles on. Oh yeah, now we're talking. Check all those frags out right there. All my coral people out there, they're loving this episode right now. What else we thinking, Tommy?
So let's get you some of the nice stuff.
All right, let's see it.
Such a bright coral.
Yeah, that is very bright. Wow. How are you enjoying the new shop?
I'm loving it.
Yeah?
Yep.
Finally got a space for everything, right?
Yep. And now we're finally starting to get more tanks too.
Yeah, notice that.
Getting caught up on fish. These should be set up hopefully next week. I'm waiting on the big air pump.
There you go. Dude, it's cool seeing you from the very start slowly expand the business. Number 3.
Yeah, as you grow the colony, like the pattern on the inside, it changes. Like they don't all look the same.
The blow pops? I
Yeah.
like those. Those are cool, the name too. Oh gosh, look at the difference in color. Look at that. Is that not crazy? I have one of these in my tank, and it's split into 3 now. I really like that leather coral right there. Watch it grow.
That's not gonna fit in the cup.
No. That will grow all over the rock which I really would like to see in the aquarium. So we're also gonna grab that guy right there. And then we're almost done with coral shopping, and to the fish we go. Back to the camera, we have got all the corals. We grabbed a couple more, just other leathers. We have 2 leathers, then a bunch of other little frags. Total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 corals, dude. Yeah. And we're about to get our eel. Our zebra eel is finally getting back home. Oh, there she is. Did you name her while she was here?
I didn't.
No.
Does she have a name?
Jennifer the Second.
Jennifer the Second.
That was totally made up. I have no idea. Oh, yeah. Dude, did I miss that freaking creature. Look at her. She's fired up, ready to come home. We're gonna net all the others out. We have 6 more fish in here. We've got the eel, the 2 corals right there, and the other 5 corals right there. We got a bin. We're about to net out the rest of them all out of this tank, and then we're good to go.
Oh, I got a surprise for you too.
Surprise for me?
Yeah.
Tommy's got a surprise for us. There it is. Look how beautiful and big they got. That's crazy.
How old are these now?
Who knows how old they were when I got them? Probably maybe a year, so 2 years.
Yeah.
About 2 years old. Look at those guys. They are so much thicker now. Looking nice and thick. Wow. Tommy, thank you, man. I appreciate it. More than you can ever imagine. And the Cuffaros, thank you, too. Look at that. My whitetail's looking more whiter than ever. Oh, yeah. That right there. Looking 10 times better. Sweet. One of our tangs are in. Fox face. Yeah. We got him. Oh, yeah. Goodness, it's so good to see all the fish back in bags, heading home. I'm speechless, to be honest with you. Saw so many comments too. Like, when are you getting the saltwater fish? When are you getting the saltwater fish? It's a process. The way we did it, like Tommy just had said, was the best, definitely the best way we could have done it. Unfortunately, we had to wait so long, but it was the best thing we could have done. Now, hopefully the disease has kicked rocks and we're back in action. There we are. Both tangs, both clowns, eel. Anything else in here? So this is Tommy's surprise because we've netted everything else out.
Right there is a little shark egg.
Another shark egg. Oh. Yes. Dude, that couldn't have been any better of a surprise.
Do you want to take them now, hatch them at your house?
Yes. Still have the clip and everything. Unfortunately, our shark was another thing that didn't make it, but that wasn't from the disease. That was because it just literally wouldn't eat. And every time you hatch a shark, it's like a 50-50 shot.
Yeah. And so if you lost the last one, this one should
50-50, you know? Hopefully we take the dub this time. We're gonna hatch another shark. Thank you, Tommy.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you, thank you. That's awesome. Let's bag up this shark egg.
It's a little guy, so you got some time.
You know what shark it is?
Yeah, it's the,
I'm gonna completely blank out what you had said. That way they don't know what shark it is until it hatches.
Oh, there you go.
A little suspense, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe.
Was it the same one? Is it a different one?
I don't know. We got another shark egg. That was unexpected.
Could be a togepi.
Could be a great white. No, they have live birth, don't they?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, they do. All the corals, shark egg, all of our fish, eel, we got it all. And we're good to go. Big shout out to Tommy again. Thank you, Tommy. I appreciate you. The location to the store is down in the description down below, so make sure to come thank him in person if you're local. And if not, thank him over his Instagram or something, you know? I'll leave everything down below.
Cool. Thank you, Paul.
I appreciate you, man. That's what I've been going to the gym for. Unfortunately, I played football for like 3 hours yesterday, so my legs are feeling it. That one's heavier, so we'll go in that one first. Heavier box first, lighter box after.
All right.
Thank you, sir. You are the man.
Let's get your tank, you know, stunning.
Nice and stunning.
Nicest tank in.
Yeah, best saltwater tank in. Unfortunately, I had to bleep the last part because that's my location where I live. But
oh, my bad.
No,
sorry.
The editing.
in Seattle, Washington.
Seattle, Washington. See you back at home. Thank you, Tommy.
All right, see you, Paul.
Well, we're back home, and the ferrets have gotten into the fish bags. They're now acclimating, as you can see. And you may notice, I have another ferret. Oliver was never one to get along with other ferrets, but we upgraded the cage and got like borders and so much more toys at the bottom. They're now pee-pad trained. Oliver has a friend. This is Oliver. We had him for a couple years. And this is his new friend right here that doesn't have a name. So off topic of fish, we're gonna need you to name our new ferret. This was the exact ferret in the last video that I asked you guys if we got 30,000 likes I would buy. I bought it. And I don't think we hit 30,000 likes, but we got him anyway. And this is Oliver's friend. Oliver needed someone. He looked a little lonely and now they're best buds. I didn't think Oliver was actually going to like his buddy, but he did. Name them. They run around the house like little children. On another topic though, the fish are acclimating. We're gonna give it a little bit and then we're gonna not only get our shark egg in, but all our fish back and a couple new corals. Uh-oh. They're crazy, bro. Oh. Where are you going? Oh. Shark egg is going in first. We don't want the shark egg to come out of the water. So we're just gonna put it like this. There it is. Got this out of the bag. Bam. Shark egg is in the aquarium. Shark egg hatch part 2 onto corals. Where should I put this?
Put it in that crack right there.
Yeah, right down, straight down.
All the rest of these corals I'm just gonna put in the sand, and then next time Tommy comes to clean the tank, I'll have him put them where he not only suggests them to go, but he has like the better glue. I just tried gluing with my glue, and it's all over my hands and it won't really work. But we did get 2 of the leather corals in. One's right there, and the other one is right there. All the rest I'm just gonna put in the sand. The next time Tommy's here, they'll be in. The thing about frags is literally, dude, these things will be this tiny for so long. Months and months and growing. All right, that's it for the corals. We have all of them in the sand right here. The 2 leathers on the rocks and every other coral's looking absolutely amazing. It's officially time to get the eel and the other stuff inside the aquarium. I'm ready to go. It's been long enough, waiting months. Let's do it. Dude, I gotta get a video on this for my Snapchat. Hey, if you guys aren't following my Snapchat, I am now gonna be posting daily on there. Check it out, the link is down below. Let's get a video on this first snap as well. Here we go. Oh my gosh. He hasn't been in there in so long. He's probably like, oh, I remember this place. You know? Think about it. It's like not being home for 3 months. That is awesome. Ready? Chad, you missed the release, Chad!
Oh, that's a gem.
That's the whitetail. This is the fox face. This is a really cool fish. Check that out. Right there. And he's gotten so much bigger too. The clowns are next and last. Let's go, clowns. These ones won't go behind a rock. They'll actually stay out. Woo! That is sick. Look how stoked they look, bro. They look happy as hell. See how fast he's moving. He's like, I am home. This is my home. And they have 3 anemones over here. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully they'll inhabit some of those. Yay! Yeah, Logan, that's what I like to see. That energy is great. Do it again for me.
No, I can't.
Fish just get me so hyped up, especially saltwater. Look at the eel in the back behind the clowns, bro.
Dude, this shot's sick right now.
That is a really good shot, Chad. Great job, man. I love you for that. Look at Jock, our freaking coral banded shrimp. He is so big now. He's been in here the whole time. He has never left. That is it. Almost all of our fish are back. We're gonna go with the gem tang and the hawkfish very shortly. But for the most part, our fish are back. I'm gonna pick up the camera in like maybe a couple days when they get a little comfortable and they start eating again. I'm excited. They're finally home. We are back. All the fish are doing amazing. We have our clownfish right here, which are so beautiful. Shark egg, Jacques the shrimp back there. Fox face is in the far back. Our eel is right there in this rock. This was always his favorite spot and he's back in it. He came up to the surface and ate a crab today. And the whitetail tang is somewhere to be seen inside this tank. It's massive and we don't have enough fish. It needs more. And from here on out, I am purchasing all my fish after being quarantined. Love each and every one of you so much. Top link in the description to get some PC merch. Don't forget, add me on Snapchat. The link is down below. I'll be posting daily on there. And if you want to become a PC member for exclusive content, live streams where only members can join, make sure to click the link down there and join that as well. See you later.